I always say,
I
hi,
hope
I
you're
hope you're
having
having a good day.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I love that.
Hi, I hope you're having a good day. Welcome to my channel. Today, I have with me my beautiful friend Amanda.
Hello.
And we're gonna show you guys the like 1,000,001 ways you can use the Laura Mercier Glow Powder. We each have our own in different shades. And we were just having so much fun playing with these, and we came up with a whole bunch of different ways to use this powder. So we're gonna show them to you guys right now. We created this look with it. This powder is literally everywhere on our face.
Yes.
Everywhere.
Even places you wouldn't expect.
Yes. To start off with, I wanted to make my skin super glowy. So I mixed a little bit of my glow powder and some moisturizer primer. It looked so good. It just created the most beautiful glow. It didn't make it like chunky or weird or anything. This powder is just so finely milled that it mixes
With anything.
with anything. It's just amazing. That's what I did first. Amanda decided to do something different.
I decided to mix it in with my foundation. I know, my foundation. Typically this powder is something that we're putting on top of our foundation, and for me, I just wanted to cut the process of all the powders on my face and, like she said, kind of do a little something more natural. So by mixing this into my foundation, it literally makes you look like you're glowing, but not like super sparkly all over your face. Like, it literally gives you that glow from within. And it's so radiant and so beautiful, and honestly, I am really glad I tried that.
Yeah, it was such an awesome hack. We thought it was going to be the most gimmicky thing. Like, it was not going to work out at all.
Yeah, and honestly, I kind of was nervous because mixing a powder in with the foundation made like a clay type of texture or something. This product, like she said, is so finely milled that it blended so well. You couldn't even tell there was powder in it. It just gave a sheen, a slight little sheen to the foundation, and it just went on like you couldn't even tell there was something mixing at all. So yeah, it looks so good. So happy with it.
So next, I continued on with my face. I put on my foundation, and I really wanted to mix it with my powders because I thought this glow would go perfectly on top of any matte powder. So I really wanted to try it out with bronzer, and it was honestly, it's my favorite. Actually, we got a lot of good things that we came out with. I was gonna say it's like my ultimate favorite, but
it's hard to choose.
There's a lot of good things we came out with. So it's definitely one of my favorites. So I took a little bit of my matte bronzer, then I went back into the glow powder and mixed both of them in the top, and then just went straight to my cheeks, and it just created the most beautiful like golden bronze. This bronzer was actually a little bit on the cooler side and maybe like a little too cool for me to be a bronzer, and those two together is just such a good combo.
So good on her.
Good.
Yes.
Then next, what you do?
I did a little bit of something similar, but I added the powder into my blush. So I just opened the top, whatever was on the top, I just swirled my little brush around and tapped it onto the blush. And I didn't even have to use a bronzer today. I just put it right here on my cheek. That's what you see here, and totally looks so good. What do you think it looks like? How does it look?
I love it, and I actually love how, because you know these powders have a little bit of a like a color to them. Like yours is definitely like a bronzy gold.
Mine is bronzy.
Mine is definitely like a champagne-y gold, right? So this color mixed with the blush that she chose like an orangey blush.
Yeah.
Gorgeous together. Really, really nice. And it looks like the blush came like that.
It does look like the blush.
Like it doesn't look like anything weird.
So it gets me excited to use it with other blush colors, because now
I know the possibilities are literally endless.
Yeah, I'm excited.
With anything.
Yeah, especially with all your matte stuff. Just mix it with anything matte.
For the winter,
just mix it with anything matte. Anything matte.
Anything. Yep.
It'll get a glow.
We already did primer, foundation, bronzer, blush. What are we even on to next?
That's 4.
Yeah, so that's already 4 things.
More. We have 6.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so 2 more. These were like so last minute hacks, but they are probably the best ones that we came up with.
I'm so excited.
So, you're wondering what's on our lips right now. We're about to make it right now.
Yes, we are.
So these are the 2 lip glosses that we made. each with our shade.
These are freaking insane, you guys. These literally look like you could go to Sephora, Ulta, wherever and purchase a gloss just like this.
Yeah, for real. They just look so sparkly, but in the most like luxurious way. Like it doesn't have big chunky glitters.
Not at all.
Yeah, so it's beautiful and super easy to make. So pretty much all you have to do is grab a clear gloss and mix it with a little bit of powder. That's it. It's so easy. Yeah, let's put some on. Yeah, because I need some more. Oh my god,
so pretty.
Grabbed a little too much. Look at that shine.
Can you see the sparkle? Probably.
Yeah, we definitely have to show it off in different lighting. Added the most gorgeous like golden sheen to
wait, I want to try yours.
Right,
I'm obsessed with hers. I don't know why, but
I see this.
I just want to put this maybe like in the center of my lips.
Yeah, and I just mix a little bit of yours all night.
Yes, Laura Mercier.
Okay, now I added too much gloss.
That's never a problem.
I just can't believe that we made so many different things with one product. And we were just trying to come up with one way to use this differently. Like when we started, it just kept on going.
Seriously.
Like, we just kept on coming up with more and more things, and so we just decided to show them all off in this video. Yeah. I really hope you enjoyed it. This is pretty much it. Oh wait, no, what am I doing? We have so many hacks, we almost forgot one. And it's one of the best ones. So
it really is.
As a final touch to our makeup, and as always, setting spray. And so all you gotta do is take some of your favorite setting spray, add a little bit of powder, and that is it. Yours looks even more gorgeous in this light. You gotta put it even closer. Let's zoom in on that, baby. Oh my gosh.
I know. Seriously.
It's so nice. And the shimmers just look so finely milled in there. They're tiny, tiny.
This was genius.
Yeah.
Genius.
And I know you can pretty much do this with any like loose illuminating powder like this, but what's so amazing about doing it with specifically this one is that it is so extremely finely milled because it's supposed to be a setting powder. The glow it adds to your face is just like an all over radiance. It's not sparkles, and you're not gonna catch like little things on your face. It looks amazing, and I'm really happy with it.
Seriously, me too. And I'm looking at her, and her makeup looks freaking amazing. So I know that mine does too.
Yes, it really does. We're having like really good makeup days.
We are.
And I think it's this like golden sheen. Like I feel like I see that in my, this light washes me out, but I definitely see it like this golden sheen in yours, son. Yeah, because we mixed it with the primer and the foundation. So
yeah.
And
so just one last little thing. So literally, as
just kidding. This is not the last one. We got one more because it looks amazing on you. So
I know.
Let's talk about it.
I'm gonna go ahead and use my powder on my lids because why not?
Yeah.
And just by adding some of this onto your lid will just give you a subtle shimmer. So that way you can literally pair it with any brown shadow.
It's really perfect for natural makeup.
Perfect for natural makeup.
Okay, now that was actually our last hack. That is it for this video.
Until we think of more.
Yeah, I know, right? Seriously. We could be here all day.
This is great.
No, but really, thanks so much for watching. Oh, I'm super curious. Have you guys tried this powder? Let me know in the comments. What do you think about this thing?
Yeah, and also let us know which one was your favorite hack. I'm curious to know if you guys love the lip gloss as much as we do because
oh my gosh, yeah. Is that your favorite hack?
It's my favorite hack. What's your favorite hack?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to say lip gloss too. Either lip gloss or bronzer. I really love the bronzer.
But then the setting spray was just so genius. So you know what?
I know the setting spray too.
Seriously, you guys, just let us know.
Yeah, I'm actually gonna be using those in my makeup routine now. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed all these hacks. And I will see you in my next video.